curry paste, I have onion powder, mixed herbs, smoky barbecue and honey sprinkles. I have these Worcestershire sauce and I have my Rajah curry in here, and I have mother-in-law spice, which is another curry, and I have all-in-one spice mix, crushed garlic, herbs, and crushed garlic and herbs. Of course, I have my beef cubes, which I marinated overnight. We have green and the robot peppers, onions. So what I did with my beef, I seasoned my beef with Rajah curry powder, 2 tablespoons of Rajah curry powder, and I seasoned with 1 teaspoon of salt, and I marinated my meat overnight. So it was overnight, guys. You can do this, or you can simply marinate the beef 30 to an hour before you start cooking. So yeah, let's now brown our meat. So I let my pot get hot, so I'm just going to add cooking oil. As you can see, it's very hot.
Lately my thoughts got me distant, darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I
So guys, this is how it looks. It looks so yummy.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up, darker.